In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Books API key in just 5 minutes. This process will help you unlock a range of functionalities by allowing external applications to communicate with your Zoho Books account. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First and foremost, make sure you're connected to the internet, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to the Zoho Books website. You can easily find it by typing Zoho Books into your search engine, or directly entering the URL if you know it. It's important to have a stable internet connection to ensure a seamless experience throughout this process. Once you are on the Zoho Books homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. Locate the Sign In button, which is usually situated at the top right corner of the web page. Click on this button to proceed. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to provide your Zoho account credentials. Now, if you have your email and password handy, go ahead and enter them into the respective fields. Make sure to double check your entries to avoid any login issues. In case you've forgotten your password, Zoho has an account recovery option which you can utilize by clicking on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password and help you access your account without any hassle. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker login method and you've linked your Google account to Zoho, you can opt for signing in via Google. Simply click on the Google button displayed on the login page. This will redirect you to a Google authentication page where you can select the Google account you'd like to use. Make sure it's the one associated with your Zoho Books account. Just click on your Google email and follow any additional prompts if necessary to complete the sign-in process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. This is where you can view your account overview and access various tools and settings. But our focus today is on acquiring the API key, so let's move forward to where this is actually done. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Developer Console. From the Zoho Books homepage, look for links or menu options leading to APIs or Developer. These are hotspots for discovering where you can manage your API settings. If you're not sure where exactly to find this, a quick search on their documentation or sitemap could offer pointers. You're aiming to get to the Zoho REST APIs page, specifically made for developers who want to enhance app functionality. Now, on the Zoho REST APIs page, you will likely encounter a suite of options and resources related to API integrations. It can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to get you through it. Among these options, you should look for one that is related to creating or managing API credentials. Each platform handles this slightly differently, but usually you will see an option to generate a new API key or a similar term. Once you've located the correct section, follow the prompt to generate your new API key. At this point, Zoho might ask you to define permissions or scopes for the key. This is an important step because it determines what kind of access that API key will allow. Be sure to carefully review and select the appropriate permissions according to your needs, or consult with your IT department if you're unsure. After this, you'll receive your API key. It's often a lengthy string of letters and numbers. This is the golden ticket to integrating Zoho Books with other applications or utilizing relevant third-party software to enhance your accounting and bookkeeping processes. Make sure to store your API key securely. It's sensitive information, so you should treat it with the same care as a password. Many suggest using a password manager for this purpose, which not only keeps your API key safe, but also organized and easily accessible when needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Zoho Books API key all set up in no time. Remember, from using the API key to develop new applications to connecting with existing software, the world of possibilities is vast. Always ensure you're adhering to Zoho's guidelines and policies to maintain a secure and efficient operational environment for your business. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech-related content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below, and we'll do our best to assist you. Good luck with your Zoho Books integrations.